Hey y'all, I'm Coco and welcome to Koko'S Kitchen. What we doing today is honey barbecue Cajun wings. First, you're going to season your wings with CKD Louisiana all-in-one seasoning. And you're going to put them in a Ziploc bag. See all of this juice in here? It marinated overnight. Put it in a Ziploc bag, seal it, put it in your refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. These are the wings. They are already marinated overnight. Nice and seasoned. Okay? You take those wings, you drop them down in your deep fryer if you got a deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, get a small pot, put some grease, cooking oil in it, turn it on. Don't turn it up sky high. Okay. I would like to say put it on like about 6 or 7. All depends on what type of stove you have. Now, this is the sauce I made to dip those wings in. Let me let y'all see the ingredients that I put in this sauce. First, I use the CKD Louisiana all-in-one seasoning. I got your Louisiana hot sauce. Give it that kick. Your Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. And I got your crushed red pepper. That is what I put in here to make this sauce with, y'all. Okay? And you dip your wings, you drop them in this deep fryer for about anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to turn that fire up too high. I turn the fire up to 320, then I turn it down to 300, simply because I don't want it to be too high to where it's cooked on the outside and still raw on the inside, y'all. Watch your fire when you're cooking. Watch the temperature that you set your food on. You don't want to overcook nothing. And you don't want it to be cooked on the outside and be raw on the inside. Now let me show y'all what these wings look like. Y'all look at these wings. Look at the wings. Let me get out the camera so y'all can see. Look at the wings. Y'all see how pretty these wings came out? Look at these wings. Look at them. Nice and pretty. And look, you take these wings and you dip it in that sauce. Y'all see that, huh? Look at that. Take it, roll it around, dip it in that sauce. Look at these wings, y'all. Nice and pretty. Do it over and over again till you got all your wings dipped in that sauce. Showing y'all what it looks like. And there you go. The honey barbecue Cajun wings. Stay tuned for more videos from Koko'S Kitchen. Oh, it's hot, but it's good.